If you've been researching the best display technology for your next TV, monitor, or even smartphone, you've probably come across two big names, OLED and MicroLED. OLED has been praised for years as the king of display quality, but now MicroLED is stepping in, claiming to be the future. So, which one is really better? Stick with me till the end because the answer may surprise you. What is OLED? OLED stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode. In an OLED display, each pixel lights up individually without needing a backlight. That means when a pixel is black, it turns off completely, giving you perfect contrast and deep blacks. Pros of OLED: stunning contrast and true blacks. Rich, cinematic colors, ultra thin and flexible designs. Great viewing angles. Cons of OLED: risk of burn-in if static images remain too long. Can degrade over time because it uses organic materials. Brightness levels are good, but can struggle in very bright rooms. What is MicroLED? MicroLED is a new challenger in premium displays. Instead of using organic materials, MicroLED uses tiny inorganic LEDs, each acting as a self-emitting pixel, similar to OLED but more advanced. Pros of MicroLED: also offers perfect blacks with pixel level lighting, higher brightness than OLED. Ideal for well-lit rooms, no burn-in risk, longer lifespan, and better durability. Excellent color accuracy and viewing angles. Cons of MicroLED: extremely expensive right now, limited availability, technology is still evolving. Picture quality, blacks, colors, and viewing angles. When it comes to picture quality, both OLED and MicroLED deliver elite performance. Both can turn off pixels entirely, achieving infinite contrast. Both produce vibrant, accurate colors and maintain those colors even at wide viewing angles. If you're watching movies or gaming in a dark room, both will look incredible. However, MicroLED pulls ahead in brightness, making it better for brightly lit environments or HDR content. Performance and durability. Here's where MicroLED has a major advantage. OLED screens can suffer from image retention or burn-in. This happens if a static logo or HUD stays on screen for too long. It's rare, but it can happen, especially to gamers or news channel watchers. MicroLED, on the other hand, uses inorganic LEDs, so there's no burn-in risk and no long-term pixel degradation. It simply lasts longer. The biggest issue? Price. So, if MicroLED seems better, why isn't everyone buying it? Price. MicroLED is extremely expensive to produce. A MicroLED TV today can cost tens of thousands of dollars, and most people simply can't afford it yet. OLED, meanwhile, offers amazing quality at a much more accessible price and is available from brands like LG, Sony, and Samsung. Which is better? If we're talking technology alone, MicroLED is the winner. It combines the best of OLED, perfect blacks and rich colors, with higher brightness and no burn-in risk. It's basically OLED without the weaknesses. But if we're talking value for your money right now, OLED is still the best choice for most people. It delivers incredible performance and is widely available at reasonable prices. So here's the bottom line: best overall today, OLED; best future technology, MicroLED. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you buy a MicroLED TV if the price dropped, or stick with OLED? Let me know. See you in the next video.